Hello and welcome everybody. Today I will show you how you make plates dinner for your game assets. You see this cube, face or delete the top face and scale the below like this and scale all the object. Go to modifier panel and add subdivisions. Okay. Then select the edges and scale it like this. And apply again a solidify modifier. It's good. Now you can add the materials in the plates and make it like ceramic, like this, and put some roughness and specular to your material. Now I add a plane and make it like background for my render. Okay. Press Shift D for duplicate the plates and make it more than one. Okay, it's very good. Now I select the edge and make extrude to the Z axis to make like background. Now I must put the camera in the front of my objects for my render. Like this, and make it close to my objects. Okay, it's very nice. After a few seconds of render, my assets, it will be ready for using in my games. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching.